Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the quick panel on our watch. To open the quick panel, swipe down from the top of the screen. Once you open the panel, you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should look like this. Let me open it again. Should look like this. This is the alarm icon. Now tap on this icon to open the alarm menu, and here we can select how often the alarm should repeat, and we have off. If this option is selected, the alarm will be turned off and it won't work. Then we have once. If you select this option, it will go off only once and it will turn itself off. Next we have Monday to Friday, so basically it will repeat from Monday to Friday. Then we have every day, so it's gonna repeat on every day. Select the option you like and then set the time on which the alarm should go off. And you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And now the alarm is set. When you open the quick panel, you will see when it's gonna go off next time. As you can see, Monday at this time. And that's how you set up the alarm clock. If you want to turn it off, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon and select the off option, and the alarm will be turned off. I forgot to mention that if you enable the alarm, you will see this icon on the watch face right here under the battery, which indicates that the alarm is enabled. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.